Aloha everyone. This is Seattle Airport from where we started our trip to Honolulu, Hawaii. We traveled with Hawaiian Airlines. We had to take a tram as our flight was from Gate C. Luckily, airport wasn't crowded at all as we traveled on the Thanksgiving Day. It was around 6 hours direct flight from Seattle. Overall flight was comfortable. They provided us with sanitizing wipes before takeoff. After takeoff, complimentary food and drinks were served. Also, it's compulsory to wear face mask throughout the flight duration except when you're eating or drinking. After landing in Hawaii, all passengers were required to move towards the screening area, where every individual was supposed to show proof of negative COVID test. You can either show picture of the barcode on your cell phone or the printed copy. I recommend be ready with both the options. After screening, we took Uber from airport to the resort. This is the main shopping street in Waikiki. You will find global fashion chains and high-end shops on this street along with the view of beautiful Waikiki beach. We stayed at the Alohilani Resort at the Waikiki beach, which I highly recommend. The resort property is beautiful with modern and a refreshing touch to it. On our way to the room, we saw a range of stores and boutiques within the resort property where you can shop for daily essentials, souvenirs, dresses, beach fares, etc. This is our stunning full oceanfront room on the top floor of the building. The room had the view of the beach, ocean, sky, plus the picturesque Waikiki street. We spent hours on the balcony, looking at the beach, palm trees, and the incredible surfers, which was indeed mesmerizing to watch. I have seen aqua yoga, but doing yoga on the surfing boards, wow, that was amazing to watch. For our dinner, we went to Swell Pool and Bar on the 5th floor. This place was lit with really great food options as well. Here from 7 to 9 pm, they show a video art projection series showcasing the beautiful landscapes of Hawaii. The pool area looks more vibrant and colorful daytime. This pool is named 10 most Instagram-worthy pools in America. This is resort's 2-story saltwater oceanarium, which is one of the must-see attractions of Waikiki, where you can witness one of the daily fish feedings from 10:30 am to 2:30 pm. And then we headed out and took Uber to one of the highly recommended spot, Leonard's Bakery. This place is famous for its malacedas, which are the Portuguese donuts. I recommend the chocolate and the original one. This place is crowded most of the times and you have to wait in line for hours. These puffs were simply delicious and we loved them. In Honolulu, you will find bike rental station on every other block. We rented the bikes and headed for lunch. It was so much fun riding bikes on the streets of Honolulu, Hawaii. For lunch, we went to this Asian restaurant, Momo-san. Walking on the streets of Waikiki at night was one of the best memories of our entire trip. For dinner, we went to a patent cheesecake factory, but the menu in Hawaii was very different from the menu in other states. Dylan's Candy Bar is another great recommendation for kids and people with sweet tooth. The very next morning, we went to this amazing place, Eggs and Things, for breakfast. You will find really great breakfast options at this place. But yes, this place is crowded most of the time and it's better to have a reservation. Also, trip to Hawaii is incomplete without trying the shave ice. And last but not the least, we headed to the beach, which was amazing. You will find ABC stores on every block, where you can find daily essentials and is great for souvenirs. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Mahalo.